This is the Buck steel fire pit. So this model is actually going to be available in either a wood or gas. Now it is not multi-fuel, it'll be ordered as wood or gas. This cooking grill located on the top that you see here, that is an option. So again, sold separately, but pretty cool to be able to have this nice grill right over the top of your fire pit with the ability to cook on, again, you can choose either wood or gas. The grill does easily rotate, so in the event you're not cooking, you don't want to be heating up your grill. The top of it is light enough, but still heavy enough that you're not going to burn through it. So this one is shown with the deer cutouts. Now you do have various options on the cutout styles that you prefer to go with. So again, that would be ordered that way. This is a 30-inch fire pit.